The walls are heavy with the weight of my breath. A clock ticks loud, but it whispers of death. I call your name in a room made of stone, but the silence answers I'm here alone. Do you hear it too? The echo of the truth, silent echoes screaming loud, lost in a sea of a faceless crowd. I reach for you, but you're just there, a shadow, a dream. You're not there. The moon's a ghost and it hangs in my eyes. Its light feels cold as it burns through the lights. My heart's a record that skips on the pain, playing the same note again and again. Do you feel it too? The emptiness of you. Silent echoes screaming loud, lost in a sea of a faceless crowd. Reach for you, but you're just there, a shadow, a dream. You're not there. Uh, uh.